Hello folks, and today we're going to learn about Axios HTTP client. Well, it's HTTP is a promise-based HTTP client for the browser and Node.js. Well, it's basically an HTTP client who can handle HTTP requests to an HTTP there. Well, you could use get, post, update, and delete, and etc. And yeah, we're going to learn just that, and we're going to install it. How to install it? Well, you set up the node project by using npm the npm init. Then we install the npi install Axios to install the Axios, and we wait. Oh, as you can see, it's done. Then we create our JavaScript there, and oh yeah, before that I want to explain. Yeah, I've created a database Axios contains books table, which contains this set of data, and I also create an API to get those data, and in turn I want to use Axios to get those data through the API. Then the API fetch the the data from the database and then passing it on the Axios. And I believe the URL is no. Yeah, I think it's. Let's jump into the Axios itself then. Well, first we have to load the Axios module by typing require Axios. Then we go to the Axios, then .get, because you want to get the data, and inside it's the API endpoint, which is, I believe it's in localhost. By the way, it really is native PHP. I can't even remember when the last time I used when the last time I code native PHP. Yeah, it's very long time ago and very nostalgic. By the way, I digress. HTTP localhost and Axios API get.php, if I correct. Okay, so obviously it's a JSON data, and I want Axios to fetch this. Then how to get, and then, well, literally then function, well, this is where we want to fetch our result, and next we want to catch any errors if there is one. Error. Then I want to show our data, and I think that's it. Let's check. Yeah, we have to check node. Yeah, and then let's check it out. Let's run this node, run the JS. Oh yeah, response, you have to specify the data. If not, yeah, it returns the whole HTTP request instead of the the response. Response to data. Yep, correct. node run.js. Yep, as you can see, the data with contains the ID, the name of the books. So in the next video, I'm going to show you on how, instead of get request, we're going to use the post. So we pass the data to the API, then the API pass it to the database. I mean, insert it to the database and return it to the API, and we get the response. So stay tuned.